Alright guys, here's the first package that I'm gonna unbox from Ranfree Velasquez, a buddy of mine from WhatNot. His name is Ranfro. He's a starting seller. Please go follow him. His name is Ranfro, Ranfro. He's a starting seller on WhatNot, and this is what I bought from him. This is for it's actually for me, not to resell on WhatNot, but this is for me. So this is my receipt, and he has it very well packed. And it's a Sandland cup, still sealed, brand new, and it's just a random cup. I don't know which. I'm gonna open it right here on live. Let's see which one it is. See which one I got. Also, metal cup too. Oh, this one's bad right here. I like this one. Oh, yep. Sandland. Nice. Well, this is my first package. I'm about to unbox this one now. Stay tuned.